Amoy bagoong ba?
Ay, pagbusan na. Sa inyo lang.
Ayan, ano yun? Beef ba yan?
Bimbi. Can you speak of
Ano
Pampangan?
ka ba?
No.
Yan nakakaintindihan.
Konti.
Mega.
Kahit yung si mama hindi ano eh.
Kapapaan ba kayo? Tarnak ka pa ba?
Yeah. Ba't halo na?
Si Andy ba may
Halo.
Ilocos? Ilocos? Hindi Ilocos.
Ilocano.
Sa Tarnak. Dito. Dito ka.
Ano treat mo kay Raisa?
Wow, happy Friday.
Ilongga. 29. Hello po, shout out po Maricar Yosef.
Gentleman. Wow, gentleman.
Kailangan. Ay! Ano na? Hello, shout out po. Pa-shout out, Bimbi. Sure. Maulan din dyan. What?
Tell me, sis, you are my boss.
I'm anytime, sis.
You know, you're my boss, sis.
Free lang ako,
Because
sis.
Don't have car.
I have no life, sis. Remember?
Sis, we're live, sis, remember?
Wala siyang life. They want to leave me now. They want to leave me na.
Chinito na pogi. Nox.
Oo nga no, I got more chinito as I got older. Mga teen maybe. Kasi kung I'm smiling, nawawala talaga mata ko. Nawawala talaga my eyes.
Saan yung mata mo? Ay, ang galing, ang galing.
Hello from Bulacan. Sarap naman ng pillow ko. Wait. Yun! What?
Oo nga. Oo. Baby.
What? I'm tired eh.
Sis.
Yun na nga, pillow.
Uy, yung...
What? Ano?
Ikot ka kay Kuya Mo.
Noy lang yan. Yun!
Shout out po.
Hi, Bim. And I'm from Pampanga. Hug mo siya, Bim. Dapat siyang iyakapin. Dapat siya. She should be the one to hug me.
Darling.
Kasi she's not malambing eh. Ako lang malambing eh.
Bing-bing.
Oo nga, para pantay.
Wow!
Ano yan?
Thank you. Grabe, ang dami mong gifts.
Kaya nga, don't give gift na po. I don't want you to spend, I don't want you guys to spend your money.
Sis, baka pagkakaroon.
Kayo na, Bim? Hindi pa. No. Let's just friends muna. Kamo. Pa-shoutout ako. Erica, ano po yung naging course?
Shoe size mo, diba?
Ha?
10, 11.
Ano may hinahawakan pa ako?
Grabe, kahit is kamay ko, hindi ko
12. I'm size 12. 24K! Oh, nice! Lampot. Bim, I'm... Ate. Shoutout naman, Bim. Riz and Bim. 25K na yun. Pinapakilig. Shoutout po Arlene Espina from San Pablo City. Hi from Coron, Palawan. Yun. What's your fave thing about Raisa? Ano? Genuine.
Wow. Sister, are you okay?
Kasi ano eh. Kasi alam mo naman, hindi madalas ang genuine, hindi karamihan ang genuine na tao sa isang buhay. No? Give life lesson or wisdom you wanted to share. Ano lang? Life lesson? Be yourself. Be yourself. Be yourself. Yeah. Kasi alam mo naman I've in this industry since I was a kid, no? So, just don't pay them attention. Kasi, hindi naman sila ang importante. Ang importante ay kayo. You guys are the important ones. The one who truly love me and Raisa, you know. Oh, she's ignoring me, oh. 24K, 23K, 25K po. 25 or 30K na lang. 30K. 30K. Yun, my brother's week. Kuya, say hi to the live. Ayan o, Kuya Josh is there. He's resting now. Just woke up. Kakagising lang yan. Shoutout naman here in Pakistan. Yan. Yung jammies si Kuya. Cutie. Baka ko na shoutout nito, magpupuyat ako. Okay, I didn't see your name po, sorry. Napaka-pogi mo naman, Bimbi. Pa-shoutout naman ako. Lilu General or General. Riza Monica Calata. Pag napansin ako neto, chuchu. Pa-shoutout birthday ko ngayon, Bim. Salamat. Stop sending gifts na po. Okay na yan. It's more than enough na you're viewing. Pa-shoutout po from Iloilo. Hello po.
What will you say?
Can you see the Ate Hells?
Ay, Bimbi. Kasama si Ma'am Chris, idol ko siya. Of course, she's sleeping now po eh. Tulog na si Mama. Sa PC ko, ngayon Cyberpunk. Oo. World of Warcraft, mga ganyan. Hindi mahilig sa game si Raisa eh. So, ako lang ang gamer. Mobile game si Raisa eh. Ay po, pa-shoutout to Jasmine. Hello, watching from Spain. Hello, watching from Spain.
Ay, kaka.
Parang pwede yan.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Wait lang, how do I, Oh, gamer couples. No, ako lang gamer. Ilan height mo, Bim? I am 6'1".
Hi!
Ang pogi mo, Thank you.
Ay, kadit.
Watching from Taiwan. Happy birthday, Duchess Shane. Happy birthday po.
Nice. How are you?
Pogi ba? Wow, you're so tall. Thank you very much. Watching from work. Hi to all watching. Busy oh.
Into 4 and Kuya. Into 4 and Kuya.
Di-
Into 4 and Kuya.
Do you play?
Into 4 and Kuya.
Do you?
Into 4 and Kuya.
Do you?
Into 4 and Kuya.
Do you play Bim and Reza?
Sabi ka
Si Ma'am Chris, she's sleeping now po. Tulog pa. She's gonna wake up later. Hawak mo ang beat.
Raisa Sonor.
Galing ni Kuya mag-dance.
Raisa Sonor.
Hawad kay Josh.
Uy! No touching, no touching.
No touching.
Magagalit ka ba?
I'm not mad, Kuya.
Watching from Caloocan.
Thank you, Kuya. Say thank you, Kuya.
Picture muna po.
Kung kasi.
Kasi,
Hi.
video pala.
Hi, Kuya. Say hi,
Hello.
Hi! Hello.
Who's cute? Sino pogi?
Yan na, Kuya. Who's pogi?
Joshua.
Watching from Batangas City. Hi, Bim. Kuya Bim.
Wow.
Shoutout naman, Bim, please. Sure. Do you play ML? No, I don't play ML. League ako. League of Legends. Hala, wala na. At least we hit 25k.
Nurses na singing, Kuya.
Sing.
Ano na po height mo? That's my nurse. Say hi, nurse. Say hi, nurse.
Hi, Noy.
Welcome to the live, nurse.
Papa Chuck, ang sweet mo na.
Thank you, Kuya.
Hindi ako malambing. Siya hindi.
I know you're a good boy naman.
Papa Chuck.
Naughty ka ba? Ano naman?
Boy.
Watching from Iligan City.
Papa Chuck.
Hi ka naman po sa mother ko po. Mommy Rose. Hi, Mommy Rose.
How's
Kailan ang kasal? Ano ba? Bata pa kami. I'm still young.
I love you din.
Watching from Leyte. Ano po height ni Raisa? Ano height mo ba, Raisa?
Papa Chuck, you're so...
5'2", ko 5'2".
Sorry. Wala ako, babe. Sa tingin mo.
4'11".
Oh, salamat.
4'10"?
Dito lang po.
What?
Secret lang hindi ko i-reveal.
Yeah.
Cute nyo po. I know.
Kitit, Kuya.
Thank you so much for the compliment.
And Tweety Bird.
Watching from Kalibo, Aklan. Hello. Who's your favorite?
Raisa.
Wow! Anong name niyan, kuya?
Ito si ano, si Yossi.
Si...
Ha?
What's that, kuya?
Big bird and
How about?
Tingnan na po.
Wow.
Kuya.
Si Abdul? Yusuf.
Shout.
Baby.
Ba, i-edit kayong dalawa. Go! I think may naka-screen record naman yung ano live natin eh.
Isipin na mo yun, no?
Please make a movie. Sana po. Sana.
Ba?
Hala,
Kung may budget pa. Kung may budget, we can make a movie. Nakakamiss talaga mag-movie po eh. Yeah.
Papachat ka ba?
And syempre naman, mga mall show. I miss those
Ay,
times.
police, good morning.
Well, surely, ganawa. Sila na ba
Evening na po.
ng kuya what?
Kanina ka pa nag-sleep? What time pa nag-sleep?
Sila na ba ng kuya mo, Bim? No. Kuya Josh, just malambing lang.
Ano ko ba, kuya? It's
Yeah, special si kuya eh. So, ano.
Eh,
Pero daming girls yan. Malambing yan, my brother.
may pitis
How about Wild Rift, sir? Ano eh, dun? Watching from Concepcion, Tarlac. It's the first city that my lolo was a government official of.
Kuya, ano yung kanta mo?
What's your song?
of Crete. Maybe this time.
I know.